Welcome everyone to the first ever review medic video. Today I'll be trying, eating and reviewing everything in McDonald's. Let's go! First I'm gonna order everything from the self-service kiosk. Everything is pretty easy to figure out on the kiosk. However, it's quite buggy and laggy. As you can see. Come on man, McDonald's, you can do something about this. Anyways, you can customize whatever you're ordering. In this case, for a little well-known hack, order without salt to get your fries hot and crispy. Oh, and one more hack to remember. Get your drinks without ice for a wee bit more drink. Come on man, McDonald's, step up your game, bro! And now the system ceases to work. You know what? I'm just gonna go to the counter instead. I was unable to get the buttermilk chicken and fraps as they were out of stock. Please bear with the lack of focus. First, we'll be having the vanilla cone. It's my first time shooting and I couldn't see the screen. So, my bad. It does get better though. Next we'll have the choco cone, which is basically the vanilla cone encased in a layer of chocolate. Now the hot fudge sundae. Now the strawberry sundae. This thing is so darn sweet, it's like drinking pure syrup. Syrup? Now it's the Oreo McFlurry. My mouth is getting so cold from all the ice cream that I'm starting to not be able to taste the food. Now the strawberry shortcake McFlurry. It's It's just like the strawberry sundae with a hint of Oreo McFlurry. Now the mud pie McFlurry. This basically tastes like the Oreo McFlurry with a bit of chocolate sundae. Now to the corn cup. Feels like something is missing. They forgot the butter and salt. Gonna try a weird combination of ice cream and fries. Usually done with plain vanilla cone. Not bad, pretty interesting. Now the filet-o-fish. Generous amounts of tartar sauce. Not too generous amount of cheese. Next, the cheeseburger. Hamburger next. For the next burger, my favorite, the McSpicy. We all need some spice in our lives, guys. Up next, original Angus cheeseburger. Which tastes just like the cheeseburger, so save your money and get the cheeseburger instead. Next, the Angus BLT. Happy Sharing Box B, which consists of 6 pieces of chicken McNuggets and 4 pieces of McWings. Let's not forget the curry sauce. Just for fun, the fries for comparison. I'll be making a separate video for the bang for the buck on the different sizes of fries. Now the grilled chicken salad. It comes with roasted sesame sauce. The garden side salad. I'm not even gonna bother with this, just the grilled chicken salad without the chicken. Now the grilled chicken mac wrap. pie. Our pie is stuck to the container. Tastes just like cinnamon. Again, trying it with the ice cream. Basically just like a sweeter, chill apple pie. And just for fun, a drink size comparison. I'll be doing a measurement test in another video. Last but not least, the apple slice. Remember to eat your fruits and veggies, people. Stay healthy. Can't seem to open the apple slice, so I just have it at home. So I only realized after the shoot that the lady forgot to add the iconic Big Mac. And since I didn't get the buttermilk crispy chicken here either, I'll be making another video on them. So if you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe. See you again soon.